We're here at Westwoods Golf Club today, documenting a little bit of our bunker project that we are undertaking. Last year we were approved for some operating money within our budget, within our enterprise fund, that we were able to use to improve some of the bunkers. When I started here in 2020, probably the most common comment that we get for the golf course here was the shape of our bunkers. Some of the challenges we have with the original ones were 25 years of play, you have a lot of bunker shots that are hit out of those bunkers and you have sand accumulating on those faces. And then the biggest one was playability. Just having stones and inconsistencies between all of the bunkers was a big one too. A capital improvement request to do all of the bunkers would be over $3 million. But we still have that customer. We still have those 500 players that are playing each day on the weekend. So by doing some of this stuff in-house, we're able to meet some of their concerns. And we're probably able to have some of our teammates do the grading and all the prep work and the deconstruction, probably saving 50%, if not more, on that cost. We are paying for this strictly through our enterprise fund. There isn't any money that has been approved through the general fund to do this project. What we make on greens fees and cart rentals and all the revenue that this facility generates is what is going into paying for this project. Where we've started is some of the worst bunkers that in shape that we get, or some of that we have the most comments about. These liners will take up to 100 inches an hour of precipitation, which is obviously an extraordinary amount that you will never see, but it shows you how over-engineered it is and how well it can work as a benefit for the player. I can't speak highly enough of the team here at Westwoods. They do such a great job out here that this is why we can do this in-house. They do an excellent job of learning and wanting to learn and wanting to be challenged on not just maintaining turf. They want to do projects like this, and it's an unbelievable benefit for everybody.